Hello and welcome to this video tutorial hosted by Adam Wignall of Strawberry 7. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change your logon password. You should change your password every so often for security, or straight away if you feel someone else knows your password. Let's begin in Windows 10. First you'll need to log on to the computer as normal and then press Ctrl, Alt and Delete, which will bring up this screen. You can then select Change a Password. Type in your current password, followed by your new password, then repeat your new password and then hit Enter. You'll see this message saying your password has been changed to let you know this is complete. If you're a Mac user and you'd like to change your logon password, go to System Preferences, click on Users and Groups, and here on the right hand side, click on Change Password. You can then type in your old password, followed by a new password, type in your new password again, and if you want, you can type in a password hint. Your password hint should not enable anybody else to be able to guess your password. Then click on Change Password, and you're done. Finally, as always, thank you for watching. That concludes this video tutorial. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. If you have any suggestions for more videos you'd like to see, let us know. If you liked this video, please consider leaving us a like and subscribing to our channel for all the latest updates.